Welcome everyone to SAP Simplified Tutorials. Today we are looking at the digital evolution of Plant Master Data PM module. We will trace the journey from the cumbersome legacy systems of the past to the intelligent cloud connected environment of SAP S/4HANA. This is not just a software upgrade, it is a fundamental shift in how we see, manage and maintain our physical assets. We start with the reality. Many of us remember the green screen. Here maintenance data live in silos. Information was trapped in folders or hidden behind complex transaction codes. The planner is frustrated because the data is static. It does not tell her the health of the plant, only its history. In this legacy world, master data is a core to maintain rather than a tool for success. So we will see in the next picture a high-tech server room where the data particles flow from a local server to a digital cloud. You can see in this picture. So this is a turning point. We move from the decentralized ECC environment to the S/4HANA digital core. This is where the heavy lifting happens. We are not just copying data, we are transforming it. Using the S/4HANA migration cockpit, legacy records are cleansed and mapped into a high-speed in-memory database. The blue light you see represents the life being breathed into static data, making it ready for real-time processing. So this is the catalyst, and it is the migration to the digital core. Now we will move to the new interface, Fiori user experience. You can see a planner smiling while holding a sleek tablet showing colorful Fiori tiles. The first thing a user notices in S/4HANA is the SAP Fiori UX. The complex menace of the past are gone, replaced by tiles tailored to specific roles. Whether you are managing functional locations or equipment, the interface is now intuitive and mobile ready. Master data is no longer something you have to search for. It is presented to you through a role-based dashboard that works on a tablet just as well as a desktop. So it has increased your flexibility towards the options that you are going to use in SAP PM module. That is bringing smile to the picture of maintenance planner who can perform and plan very well in this scenario. So next you will see two specialists interacting with a large touch screen showing a 3D pump model with live data tags. Because of the speed of the HANA database, we can now link complex engineering files CAD directly to our PM master data. This is a game changer for collaboration. Instead of looking at a flat list of parts, engineers can see a 3D representation of the asset. When they touch a component, the system pulls up real-time temperature, pressure, and status, merging engineering data with maintenance data instantly. So this is the 3D asset visualization. This visualization will help them to identify what are the problem areas and how these issues will be resolved to improve the reliability and performance of that equipment. So in this way, this is the real-time engineering. So you will see now a technician in the factory scanning a QR code on a pump with a rugged tablet. So data is only as good as its last update. In S/4HANA, the field and the office are perfectly synced. When a technician scans a physical QR code on a pump, he sees the exact same master record the planner sees. If he identifies a change in the field, he updates it on his tablet and the master data is corrected in real time. This eliminates the paper trail and ensures that digital twin always matches the physical asset. So it is mobile synchronization and field data integrity. It helps a lot in the reality of the system versus the actual asset and equipment that is installed in the system, as data is being updated in real time. So a futuristic holographic display is being shown, and it is showing two data streams, technical and financial. Technically, S4HANA simplifies the data model. In the old days, technical data and cost data were often separated. Now we move toward a true digital twin. This image shows how technical attributes and cost data flows into one unified record. This simplification allows for much faster reporting and ensures that maintenance decisions are always aligned with the financial reality of the business. So this is the unified master data architecture, and it helps to identify the financial challenges and the financial picture of a maintenance system along with its technical attributes. So this is where we go about integrated BOMs. You can see the close-up of a tablet where a user is dragging a virtual part into a 3D assembly. Managing a bill of materials BOM used to be a tedious text entry task. Now it is visual. Planners can build their equipment structure by interacting with a 3D explode view. By dragging an impeller into the pump assembly, the underlying SAP hierarchy is updated. This makes it almost impossible to assign the wrong spare part to the wrong piece of equipment, drastically reducing errors in the supply chain. So it will resolve a long pending historical issue that is about wrong spare part numbers in the equipment. So previously, as data was available in files and systems only, so it was being done in a wrong way. So you can see a Fiori search screen titled AI Data Librarian, and it is highlighting a vendor name in a magenta glow. You can see. So master data is often plagued by dirty data, misspellings or generic entries. S4HANA uses embedded AI to act as a librarian. As the planner works, the system scans the database for anomalies. Here, the AI has noticed a generic vendor name and suggested a validated business partner. This proactive cleansing ensures that the foundation of our maintenance system stays high quality without manual auditing. So it improves the efficiency of the system, it removes the illogical and unnecessary data from the system. So it is an intelligent proposal. Next we have a technician's tablet is being shown as bright orange warning alert for a bearing temperature. You can see in this picture. So this is where master data becomes active. In S4HANA, the master record stores the normal operating thresholds for an asset. When live sensors IoTs detect that a pump is running too hot, the system compares that live data against the master record and automatically triggers a warning. We are not maintaining things because a calendar told us to. We are maintaining things because the data told us to. It improves the health of the equipment by many folds, because right now all the values that are out of their normal range, be it the temperatures, the currents, the flows, the other variations, vibrations, those are immediately highlighted by the system because data is showing that. So now you will see a screen showing business partner master linking the pump to its manufacturer. S/4HANA introduces the business partner concept (BP). We no longer have separate vendor and manufacturer silos. This image shows how a specific piece of equipment is linked to a single unified business partner record. This means if a manufacturer issues a recall or a technical update, we can instantly see every asset in our plant that is affected, creating a seamless link between our suppliers and machinery. So previously, if there is any change by a manufacturer in an equipment, there is no update in the system unless you manually update, edit and modify each and every system. So you see a server rack in a data center sending a blue light stream up to a SAP Asset Intelligence Network cloud. Our data is no longer now limited to our own four walls. Through the SAP Asset Intelligence Network AIN, our S/4HANA system can talk to the cloud. We can subscribe to manufacturer updates and download the latest technical specifications, manuals, and master data directly from the people who built the machine. This ensures our master data is always OEM certified and up to date. So this is about the cloud integration, and it is about the Asset Intelligence Network AIN that is helping to keep the system and data up to date and updated all the time. So you can see in this picture Sarah and David standing confidently in a clean, high-tech factory next to a healthy pump. So we end with the result of this journey because the master data is clean, visual and connected. Sarah the planner and David the technician or engineer are no longer fighting the system. They are empowered by it. The pump is running at 100% efficiency. This is the promise of SAP S/4HANA PM, turning maintenance from a cost center into a strategic advantage through the power of intelligent master data. So that's it about integration of SAP PM with S/4HANA. So in this way we have tried to cover what will be the system changes in S/4HANA for PM module. For any questions, please write in comments. Please like and share this video. Bye bye until next time.